1991 Ford Mustang, 62,000 miles, crystal blue, black interior. Let's take it for a test drive. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Mike driving a Fox body. As you know, we love our Fox bodies here at PC Classic Cars, and this is another great one. Really cool and unique color combo that you just don't see very often. It is a 1991 Ford Mustang LX hatch. It is a documented 62,959 actual miles. The Carfax on this one does have a minor, but it is a minor, so I'm guessing it was a super minuscule thing back in the day. No signs of any damage or anything to really note, but it does have a minor on the Carfax, and you will see that in the additional media tab on the website pcclassiccars.com. Factory 5.0, it's numbers matching motor, runs great. It is backed by the AOD automatic overdrive transmission. Power steering, power disc brakes, obviously, factory heat and AC. AC blows nice and cold, heat blows hot. You do have some aftermarket modifications starting with the exhaust. You have a BBK X-pipe. You obviously have the great sounding Flowmasters, and we'll get into the throttle here a little bit later in the video so y'all can hear the exhaust. But it does have Flowmasters, and then you have a BBK cold air intake as well. Caster camber plates up front, welded subframe connectors, but the drivability is awesome. On the interior here, which is my favorite Fox body interior, it's code DJ, which is the black cloth interior. Seats are in excellent condition, front and rear, upper dash, lower dash, headliner and visors. All of that is in really nice shape. A couple little nicks in the visor over here on the driver's side, probably having a little mirror or a garage door opener. Same thing, there's a little nick over there on the visor on the passenger side, but really minuscule stuff. Console's in great shape. Ashtray door opens and closes properly. Still has your Ford stereo, factory heat and AC controls, factory gauges, which all work. Flasher button, headlight switch, cruise control, all that stuff's functioning. Door panels are in great condition. Pockets are nice and tight. Look at that, you still got your little map light that works. The doesn't work section on this one you will find on the website pcclassiccars.com. It will be in the additional media section. If you have a problem finding it, here's how you find it. You click on the inventory tab on the website. Click on this vehicle. You scroll to the very bottom and you'll see a little thing that says additional media. That'll have the Carfax. It'll have the photos of the VIN tags all the way around the car, as well as the door tag. Speaking of the VIN tags, this one does not have it on the rear hatch, but we'll dive into that a little bit later in the video. But that doesn't work section will be in the additional media tab, again, found at the bottom of the inventory for this particular vehicle. All right, we're warmed up good, so we're gonna go ahead and get in throttle here a little bit. Hear those Flowmasters. Well, hell yeah, that's actually pretty impressive from a little 5.0 with an AOD. Usually you don't get a second gear chirp from 3/4 throttle on a little AOD. Obviously we were in a turn a little bit, but got a little second gear chirp there, which is pretty cool. As you can see, it runs and drives great. On the underneath, floors are awesome, frame is great. I see no signs of any problems of any kind, front or rear. And then on the exterior, it is the crystal blue metallic. Paint quality is great. It has some little nicks here and there. Obviously with the minor, my guess is the rear hatch was repainted at one point because the VIN tag on the rear hatch is not there. All of the rest of the VIN tags are all the way around the car. The hatch opens and closes properly. It lines up nice. So again, my guess is it was probably just a little cosmetic thing and the rear hatch was reshot, but the paint quality front to back does show well. It's a great color. It pairs really well with the black interior. With the crystal blue exterior, the black interior, and then the 16-inch polished pony wheels, it has a great look to it. Tires are good all the way around. Again, the flaws on this car cosmetically are really minuscule. You'll see photos of all the little nitpicky stuff in that additional media tab on the website pcclassiccars.com, so make sure you guys check that out. As far as the suspension goes, you do have those caster camber plates up front. You have your subframe connectors, front and rear sway bars, obviously. It all checks out, no issues. Doesn't beat you to death going down the road. It's a comfortable driving Mustang. No squeaks, no rattles, no pulls. As far as your driving position, you do have your manual sliding driver's seat here, and then you have the adjustable power lumbar. So if you do want a little bit of support on your lower back, you can get that done. For the console here, opens and closes properly, same thing with the glove box, but it's easy to drive. Obviously this is an automatic, so you just put it in drive and you're ready to go. These do not have tilt in this year, but you have your cruise control, which we will set here. Cruise control works properly. These cars do have a little button underneath the console, or excuse me, underneath the column here to take the key out. This one, the little button has been removed. Really common that people remove them because it's a pain in the ass to have to get your hand underneath there and push the little button. So a lot of people remove it, and this one, the little button has been removed underneath the column. I don't know if someone has been in there, done a mild little shift kit on that AOD, but it doesn't have that laziness that sometimes you find with these cars, especially when you get into the throttle. Usually they tend to be a little bit lazy. This one, it shifts on point. It's not a hard, aggressive shift like a shift kit, but it seems a little bit smoother than what I normally expect. As far as inside the hatch in the back, it's really clean back there. Nothing is out of place. It shows like it should. And then same thing when you pop the hood. It is a original numbers matching 5-liter for the car. The belts, hoses, wires, fluids, all of that checks out exactly like it should. Really, outside of just a few little nicks in the paint and then the minor on the Carfax, that's the only thing you're going to complain about on this car. It's a ready-to-go deal. Love the black interior. Really rare to find that. A couple things I didn't touch on is you have your power mirrors, power windows, and power locks. All that works properly. The glass is in great condition. We'll roll out here, see if we can't get a little chirp. And there you guys have it. As always, I'm Michael. This is a crystal blue with black interior 1991 Ford Mustang LX with 62,966 miles from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media tab on the website, PCClassicCars.com. Check out the content we're posting across our social platforms every single day. Catch you guys on the next video.